Yeah, man. We're live, baby. We are going to be looking at our characters, and because guys, everyone's got to come through, right? I mean, the expansion. We got to have a lot of fools ready, and that means Moog. What is this guy even doing here naked? Look at this guy. Let's look at his map. See if he has no chicken farm open, guys. So many of these characters don't even have it. Okay, so I think I kind of thought about this ahead of time. And I think the first thing to do is probably go here first. Just to be sure Var's not in his beginning spot, right? We got to get the audience. We got to run to Moog. We will deal with... Okay, Var's gone. That's good. Now we got to come to the Rose Church, folks. Rose Church. Ooh, we got a Grace right next to it. This character, I think, is naked because I was practicing. With him. We should put some clothes on him, guys. It looks weird, man. It's just weird. Oh, it's shield, too. So maybe I was doing Reichert or something? Yeah, who knows, man. Okay, this might be an astrologer. Status. This guy's name is Bling. Is this my first character? No, I think my first character, we need to head to the Rose Church. I think my first character might be the 451. We're going to check him next. Cat, what are you doing? Welcome. Edgar Castro, what's up, dude? Guys, it's the middle of the day, man. You guys know I host open mic tonight, guys. It's my only thing I do on a schedule. Besides the chess streams at 4 p.m. and right here on YouTube, gaming at 8 o'clock, right? But tonight I can't stream. So I took my clothes off in-game. We got to go to Beast Claw, man. Which ruins is it, guys? Which ruins is it? Don't you get there from Outer Wall? I think maybe you get there from... I feel like I remember getting there from here. From like Windmill Village, right? Guys, I did some Magnus Beast Claw. Beast Claw. I did one research, guys, because I knew I'm going to have to get the physic, right? I knew I was going to have to get the physic for Moog on a few different characters. Where's his freaking location, man? Come on. Just show. I don't care about any of this stuff. Location, Wraithblood Ruins, okay? And if I don't have that on my map, okay, I see it. It's pretty much just west of the Erd Tree. Okay, cool. What are you guys up to today, man? What do you guys do at this time? Oh, man. Erish says, like to stream, guys and gals. It's free. Thank you, man. Dude, Drew, what's up, man? Okay, so I think then I was right, and we will go here. And then we're going to have to put some clothes on, guys, and a weapon, because I can't just kill Magnus Beast Claw with a club, guys. This is... Yeah. Right? Yep. This way. This is it. Southwest. Yeah. I'm going to see it. I'm going to see the ruins, guys. It's going to be out here to the left. Okay, so I remember now that Grace. Because we might have to do this more than once, guys. I might need to kill some Moogs, guys. It's amazing to me that my Moog killing team is here. We freaking melt. There it is, guys. We melt. Let's put our clothes on. Well, no, we just got aggro, right? We were melting Moogs like left and right the other night. I might need you guys, man. I might need you guys to come in for multiple Moog melts, folks. So get your Moog gear ready, man, if you guys will. Trey and Drew, man. They're my Moog extermination team. Okay, we're gonna... Oh, man. Why'd I do this? Oh, okay. I'm gonna die. God. We're wasting pots, folks. We gotta fight. This guy has no mana. Look. He's level... What level is this dude? Okay. Equipment. We have a staff. I'm gonna take the shield off. We have a buff for Sacred Dagger. Let's just put some clothes on, man. I mean, anything, right? Astrologer. Looks like an astrologer. Astrologer. We'll just go astrologer on this guy, man. We just got to put some clothes on, guys. Any hands, man. any. I don't care what hands. There's no astrologer hands. Sorcerer sounds like fun. And some pantalones. Astrologers, pantalones. Oh, God. God, I'm being attacked. This thing is... Get melted. Dude, Beast Claw's not going to be easy. I have no mana. I'm not going to be able to kill Magnus Beast Claw with this tiny mana pool and a freaking rock sling. Oh my god, this thing is strong, bro. We're going to have to look at trinkets. Look at this. There's no way I'm going to be able to do it. I'm gonna reset that fool. Hey, Tradger, what's up, guys? Guys, you should be doing some Dragon's Dogma prep. I'll be building my Charlie Sardo pawn for my playthrough today. Dragon's Dogma, man. Dude, I just don't know if I'm gonna play Dragon's Dogma. I mean, I don't even know what it is. Everyone leave me alone for a minute. I have to figure out... Okay, well, let's look at stats. Stats. Most of my characters, I'm not gonna have to do that. Dude, Vig is 99, Int is 99. Why is my mind at 15? What is wrong with this character? Who would make this character? 99 Int with 15 mind. What is this build? Something's wrong. Will I even be able to kill Magnus Beast Claw with this build? Should I get like a... int-based weapon, like something like I bet I don't that's dude, Drew, that's what I would just man, I'm on the same page, bruh. I got a Darkman Greatsword. I want like a magic sword, right? Magic short sword plus 8. I bet I can kill him with that because I have 99 big. And physical 111 plus 111 magic plus 80. Oh, the glintstone sword plus 10. Way bigger damn. Oh my god, they're walking right by me, guys. The pumpkin heads. Okay. Equipment. I got a dagger. I got a seal. So I can buff something. What's the seal for, guys? What's the seal for? I don't understand why this guy's 15 big, man. It burned out a little bit, dude. You have Lazul's Glintstone Sword. That rocks. That's what I'm going to use. Yeah, it's rare. Is it really rare? Cool. Well, then we're going to use a rare sword, folks. And we have a seal that we can't use. I don't understand anything about what's happening here, guys. That's in my right hand, right? We'll probably two-hand it. Oh, is this the one that... Yes, it is. It is, guys. Okay. 1 mana up. Oh, my God, look at that. And I wonder what's in my flask. Equipment Oreo, Dex, and Strength. Yep. I'm not going to mix it. I could mix it magic. Oh, equipment... Dude, I have Radagon Sword Seal is the only thing I'm wearing right now. Because I was testing. So we can put on stuff. Magnus is going to do, I guarantee, some physical. Right, guys? Let's go back here and let's try another trinket. Non-physical. Oh, no. We want poopies. We want poopies like... Not blood loss. This guy has hardly any trinkets, bro. I love looking at these old characters, man. Jump attack? Maybe? Prince of Death's Cyst, greatly vasts vitality. Where do you get this and how come I feel like I've never seen it before? Prince of Death Cyst. Did you guys know that one? Power Stancing, Lazul with Carrion, Knight Sword, or Crystal Sword crushes. Ah, so maybe staff in the left hand, sword in the right hand. I guess I could try that, man. I mean, I feel like I want to do anything. What's my stamina at? Status. Endurance, Endurance. Is at 20. So any points, I mean, I just don't know which trinkets to put on. The Source Seal, what level am I? At level 243 is dumb. Okay, remove that. Remove that. Just put anything here, guys. Is he gonna? He's gonna be all physical, right? Let's just like, let's do this. Oh, we could get a little bit of mana. This is just to kill Magnus, guys. This is just to kill Magnus the Beast Claw. And I don't have the Magic Scorpion Charm here. Otherwise, I would probably equip it. Holy Attack. I have a feeling I'm going to want to jump on this fool. I think I put about everything. I have 99 big. So we're going to go big healing pots. Just, guys, they're just little buffs, man. It's no big deal. The Densprit's Talisman is from Deep-Root Depths. I wonder why I feel like I've never seen it before, man. Now, I'm invading his world, or he's invading my world. Can I buff before this guy? Where is he, guys? Look at this. I even had a blue marker. Oh, wait. We even talked about one thing about Lusat's staff in my left hand. Equipment Oreo. Lusat's staff, guys. Lusat's donde está? I passed the stabs already, guys. I don't know the order of operations. We're going to use a plus 10. That looks good. And then, oh, I have a golden vow. I'm thinking of something else. Okay, I thought the Prince of Death Talisman was from under Stormveil behind the Worm mini boss. It might be. Maybe that's why this guy has it, but I don't remember ever seeing it. And this guy's name is Bling, so this might be my first playthrough, guys. This could be my first character, man. This could be my original astrologer. Oh God. But why do I keep taking hits, guys? We need. Where the hell is Magnus the Beast freaking Claw? He's over here, right? Okay, I didn't really want to do that. Oh, that's because, let's see what kind of damage this does. Well, that's pretty good. Okay, where's Maggie? Maggie is right here. How are the dogs respawned? These are not the same dogs? There's one more dog, right? Ooh, did I just get health pots? I thought there was a third dog, folks. Give me my free loot. That's my loot. I earned it. I freaking killed the dogs. Okay, Maggie's right here. Yeah, I think it's time to buff up, guys. We're a little low on health pots. Ling had the rock sling. Yeah. Yeah, good afternoon, Truth. What's up, brother? I'm going to the grocery store, so I'll be back. Trey, we'll see you when you get back from the grocery, man. I hope you're not hungry. Don't go hungry. Don't go to the grocery store hungry. You'll do like I do and you'll buy stupid stuff. Okay. I guess we're going to... We can't vow. So we're out of mana. If I run out of mana, guys... Oh, and then I'm going to have to switch to, like, Great Glintstone, Night Comet. Night Comet? Is that the one he can't see, guys? So it will hit him, he won't dodge it every time? Is this true? Is this true? Dude, this is weird, man. Walking in, throwing trinkets on, and just expecting to freaking beat Magnus the freaking Beast Claw. I'm drinking, like, strength right now, guys. This is crazy. Strength and dex, I think. If we can't kill him, we're going to have to go remix a physic, folks. Get off of that. Get off of that. Golden Vow up. Night Comet. Here we go. Top off because we can. Guys, we're just gonna kill this fool. Which way has he come from? I'm scared! My kid and I are at the dentist's office. Oh, C-Mac, very cool. Here he comes. Here he is, guys. Night Comet a fool. Night Comet a fool. Oh, it hits him, guys. It hits him. Ooh, the terrain. We're not exactly slapping him. Dude, how did I not get hit by that? He's blocking my... He's blocking me, guys. Yep, I'm gonna have to start jumping those. See if I get mass... Oh, look at the health regen, guys. Oh, I'm freaking fat rolling! I blew it! I blew it. Guys, no. I'm either gonna cast, or I'm gonna melee. One or the other. Man. I'm just not the, Charlie's switching it up on us. How's your day? Dude, yeah, well, you know what? I host my open mic tonight, man. I can't stream tonight at 8 o'clock, man. But, guys, I need that for my life, guys. I need it for my life. You know what I'm saying? I really do. Guys, we're doing one or the other. I swear he kept... I was hitting him with my sword, and he wasn't impressed, guys. I think we're going to go with a pure cast build. I just have to jump the attack, guys. It's what? Who does that? Malekith Phase 1. It's Malekith Phase 1, guys. I jump those all the time. I run toward them and jump them. Flask. Allocate. Oh, no. Yeah, this is going to be okay. Okay. That can't be... Okay, they're all charged. Good. Some of my characters, guys, actually, I can actually still upgrade them. Mix my wonderful physic. I think I want magic damage. Do I own magic damage? I do. And I want... hard tier. I don't have it. I don't even have it. Wow. I got a bubble tier. That one sucks, man. Oh! FP, guys. FP. He wasn't blocking. Oh, so I was hitting the wall or something. Cat says, I'm happy about the early stream. Won't miss it today. Nice, Cat. Welcome. Yeah, 8 p.m. Central Time is really late for you, Cat. Or really early morning. Okay, now we have a physic that's going to help us. Now we have to go to Equipment Oreo and remove. And I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to put this. The Glintstone Sword. You said this is rare? Why is it rare? Where does it come from? The Lazuli Glintstone Sword. Oh, wait. No. I said we're going with the caster build, even though I have no mana, so maybe that is a mistake. Okay. We have... all my stuff sucks, guys. All my stuff sucks. The Sword and Shield sorcerers at Rayo Lucaria drop low drop rate. Oh, nice, man. I wonder if I farmed it, dude. I almost feel like I did. I almost feel like I farmed it right before Loretta. That's where I feel like I may have farmed it. So I should two-hand this, right? Hey, 10,000 runes, guys. I feel like I shouldn't be, You can't. These things are fast, bro. I'm gonna get hit. I don't want to get hit. I want to clear the area. I want to clear the freaking area. Look at that. Wasting So I can't shoot these guys on my horse. Okay, there we go. Wasted an entire mana pot, guys. Are those even the ones I have to kill? He's up here, right? Those aren't even the ones I have to kill. This was a mistake. I don't have enough mana for this. I don't have enough mana to clear. I went too far. It's the first building. Isn't there a dog close right here? Just please hit. Thank you. Okay, we're going again, guys. We're going again. Let us buff up. Oh, God, I'm not going to have enough freaking mana for cool. Guys, I don't have enough mana for this. I don't have enough mana for this. 12 a.m. Okay, here we go. Just hit that sucker. Drink up. It kills me. That's such a waste. And I think we're going to night combat him to death is the plan. Drinking. And... oh, no. Drinking doesn't help, huh? Because I'm invading his world. I'll have time to drink now. Yeah, you ain't even kidding, dude. Drink. Okay. Got him. Dude, what a freaking joke. You're like, dude, you're not ready for expansion, bro. If you can't kill Magnus of Beastclaw, this is the craziest. Okay, I'm gonna make one note, guys. Here's the note for DLC prep. DLC prep. Bling respec. I don't understand that. That was a meme, guys. Oh, no, I know what it was. I respect because I was testing something. That's exactly what it was. Okay, so now I got Magnus. So now we got to go back to Var. Donde está? He's over here. Guys, what a freaking joke, man. Yeah, not too shabby. No, that wasn't bad at all, man. Buffstone transferring the invasion. I know, I realized it, man. Too late. I realized it too late, folks. That's okay. Now we're going to have to just do the naughty. I bet I don't have the Christifying, purifying blood, tier, blood, Moog thing. Bet I don't have that on this character. And I'm going to have to respec him first, guys. I am not fighting that invader. Although, the invader might not be that bad, because we just killed an invader, right? And he won't dodge every single night combat. Okay, you're a lamb chop. Anoint me. I hate when he calls me his lamb chop. Okay. The blood of any maiden will do. Okay, now, if I'm a good Souls player, where's the 4 French fries? Dude, this guy's not even been a Ranny, bro. Did I go to the 4 French fries? I didn't. Where's the 4 French fries? They're right here. We gotta run, guys. I think I can run from here. All right, good, Caleb. Getting stuff done. Hope you're doing well, says Drew. Not too shabby. Yeah. Stream Rock comes on at the perfect time for a little horse riding, folks. Dude, I love seeing you guys in the morning, man. It's morning to me, okay? I got up earlier than usual. I got up at 9:30-ish. Is this the Dex tier, folks? Should we grab it? Bet I don't have it. There would be Albironics if there are. No, there's some kind of ash here. I don't care about. Is it here? No, it's on a little island. No. Guys, let's stay focused. 4 French fries, imbued stone sword key, port, Moog's thing. Go to Moog, run to Moog. That's all I got to do on this guy. Drew and Trey will kill Moog for me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do some damn, guys. Now, this is in case, like, something stupid happens. So I have to run back here. Feel me? Foot of the french fries, folks. Stream rock, let's ride. You know it, man. I kind of want to start moving my shoulders like I'm really feeling a horse. You know what I'm saying? Guys, right now, I'll tell you, I ain't gonna lie. I'm neglecting, folks. I'm not neglecting my YouTube channel. That's for damn sure. And I'm not neglecting you guys. And I'm not neglecting DLC expansion. But normally right now, I'd be watching chess. The Reykjavik Open, guys. I'm watching the girls, man. Dina Belyanka, the one that chess boxed Andrea Botez. If you guys remember that. Hosted by Ludwig. I've been watching her games. She's much better than me. She's not a grandmaster. Whoa. But she's a woman's grandmaster, actually. She's a very strong chess player. I watch her. And then I watch the Botez sisters, their games. There's 2 of them playing. And then I also will watch Anna Kramling's game. I'm watching the girls, guys. They're all way better than me. Well, I mean, the fact is, I think Andrea and Alexandra are both higher rated than me. That doesn't mean I couldn't freaking take them out, guys. Doesn't mean I couldn't take them out. We never played, man. We got to set it up. We got to set them up. We got to blitz it out and see who's the best. Hey, Adam Freeman, what's up, dude? Okay, we got us. Usually, guys, I do this on every playthrough. I run up here, I do this, and I unlock, because I know that's what I'm going to use my imbued stone sword key for. Is to open up a little chicken farm later. You know what I'm saying? But all right, guys. Dude, this was hard. The next one's going to be so much easier because I'll walk up and cheese beast the claw. You know what I'm saying? I won't have to respec. This character, guys, this character had 99 vig, 99 int, and 20 mind. What? For what? For what? I was testing something, but what could I have been testing? And the guy was naked. Like what? Wait, am I gonna get invaded here? This way. Okay, I'm trying to find anyone's maiden, folks. I always hate this, man. It seems very like, what's the word? What's the bad word you're not supposed to be, guys? I don't know. I wasn't really paying attention. What's it called? It's not machismo. It's not masochistic, but it's a word that sounds like that. What's the word? Where you hate ladies. It's bad, guys. You're not supposed to hate ladies. I mean, you should like everybody. Don't hate anybody. Okay, we got our... We dipped it. But when he says anyone's maiden will do, it's like... What do I look like? A freaking animal? I can just go get the blood. It's like, what? Maybe I should talk to her first. Could I maybe get a little bit of... You know what? I don't get it, man. What's the word, guys? What's the word? It doesn't start with M. Misogynist. Hey! Guys, that's a long word. That's a long freaking word, guys. I'm not expected to remember words like this. I'm actually glad I don't remember that word. Adam Freeman's off today watching Breaking Bad reruns. Notice Mr. Sardo went live. Dude, dude, you know what? I'm going to say that is time well spent. It's time well spent, guys. Breaking freaking Bad reruns. How cool is that? I want to watch Breaking Bad reruns. Can we pull it up right now? We're not allowed to, guys. We'll get in trouble. Here's supporting Charlie, getting appointments out of the way. Caleb, nice, man. Nice. Okay. Now we're going to get the run to Moog. We have 99 vig. So, dude, I want to respect this guy so bad. We're not going to do it now, though. We're not going to do it now. I mean, I guess technically... No, because I want to think about this one. Offer my finger. Oh, bite your... What does he say? Bite your something or something. Yeah, man. I don't freaking know. I just...
Oh, good heavens.
Clench your teeth or
Clench
something.
your teeth.
That's what he says, guys. Can we come back and take this guy out? Breaking Bad, one of the best TV shows ever. Breaking Bad. Yeah, Kevin Cook, dude. I found it, man. I found it. It took me a minute, dude. It took me a minute.
Binds you to luminary Moog, to all of us.
Isn't it funny how all the other words were coming to my brain? Okay. We're going, guys. We're going to go get the grace at Moog. Inventorio. Audience. I got Moog Shackle. I got Moog Shackle, guys. What? Why do I have Moog Shackle? When the hell did I get Moog Shackle? Is that the one down in the sewers? Is Moog Shackle from the sewers, guys? How the hell do I have Moog Shackle? And I didn't even have the freaking audience trinket thing. Adam Freeman says, all alone, just made some sunny side up eggs and toast. Living the dream today. Dude, that is beautiful, man. That sounds actually really good. One thing we need to do, too, is kill the... Oh, I got to go upstairs to get on my horse. Oh, no, you can't get on your horse here, huh? And I can go ahead and bubble up for the run, folks. Well, okay, no, we're gonna rest, and then we're going to bubble up for the run. No, we can just run, guys. Guys, we know... You know the run. Now, this character is low level, guys. So I'm feeling like grabbing loot, which is probably not smart. Loot over there? No. They try and trick you every time, guys. You don't know which one's going to attack you, but the perfect one to get you when you're going to get the loot. I have blood loss, guys. That's bad. Yeah, I put this up to... Oh, dude, my health pot's healed for so much with that trinket. It really is kind of cool. I mean, it's dumb. I always go this way. I think it's probably... Whoa. I think this is dumb. I told you. I'm gonna get freaking... I can't go this way? Let me buy. Don't kill me. I don't want to run back. I got some Bulbasaurs right there, guys. We're gonna drink once we get in the building. These dudes in here are powerful. Anyone know that? Should be E up arrow. Hey! Okay. At least we have some quality of life, guys. That's not the way. We gotta go up. There's a guy in a little, right up here to the left, I think, who, like on my first... Told you. He was annoying, guys. What are we getting here? Oh, Lord's Ruin. Dude, this guy can use it. This guy's low level. Well, 400,000 for he's not that low level. We don't need the white mask bar, guys. We don't need it. This is to open up the Moog Grace, so then I could call in Trey and Drew, and we could just melt Moogs, man. Just melt Moogs, guys. It'll be Moog melt prep, guys. If you guys have any Moogs you need done, I will help you melt. I'll bring Death Sorceries, and we'll freaking melt Moog. Now, I got the Grace, so that's good. Let's see if we have the Purifying Crystal Tier. Is that what it's called? Mix the Physic. Ooh, I have it. I have it. How the hell do I have that? Last playthrough, maybe? Has to be. Do you have to get that every time? Guys, this guy's done. Bling's done. Check mark for Bling. System. Oh, no. Bling's going to have to respect. As a matter of fact, let's just go ahead and port him to our pumpkin-loving girlfriend, guys. Ranalala. That way we know where he is in his progress. And we know we have to respect him. And I'm probably going to go straight int build on this, man. Int and Vig, guys. Int and Vig all the way. Oh, but mind. Int, Vig, and mind. I got to put mind, guys. Last time. How the hell do you... How do you have 99 Vig, 99 int, and 20 mind? Duh. Are you doing the thing again? Are you doing... My friends are here. You doing the... Oh, okay. It's okay. No, it's okay, honey. Go ahead and do the thing again. We're going to go ahead and go on another character, and I'll just leave you here. She's doing the thing again, guys. All right. One character's Moog. See, here's the thing. They say, well, to get ready for expansion, you have to have defeated Moog. I'm like, well, that's no big deal. I've defeated Moog multiple times on a lot of these characters. But some of them are at certain spots in their playthrough, and I can't just run and kill Moog, because I got to open Moog up, guys. Okay, this is the level 451, and I know what this guy's got to do. This guy's got to do some of the same work we did, but this guy might have the 4 French fries grace. Adults sometimes call them dippy eggs. Moog Shackle in Subterranean Shunning Grounds. And it pipped the lobsters. Right, yeah. I had it. Adam Freeman says, slam that plate right in front of my dog. Didn't even give her a nibble. Oh, man, Moog melting. Yeah. Extra mustard and onions on my melted Moog, please. 99 in all my stats, but my int ain't 1, right? If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, and subscribe. All right, guys. We are here because... Why is he here? Was I helping somebody? Now I'm getting sidetracked, folks. Horsey's dead. Let's just look. Let's just look. Well, I guess I can look and see. Yeah, it's open, guys. It's open. That's right. I did kill Cornfolio. Okay, now let's check our inventory and see if we have the audience pathway invitation thing. We do have a Moog Shackle. We have a Moog Shackle, guys. And we don't have it. We don't have it. I have 5 fire giant remembrances on this character, guys. That's freaking fun. What'd I do with all the other ones, guys? Because this is NG plus 10. Level 451 sorcery build. He's been the star of most of our streams lately and most of our shorts. We have to go. Guys, I know myself. I know myself. First thing. We come here. It says White Mask Bar, so maybe he is still here. Magnus Beastclaw going damn now, because I got a character who actually has a build. Nope, yeah, he is still here. See? This is why I'm coming here first. But I think he...
Go for an audience with the 2 finger.
So I have to go to the 2 fingers? I gotta go to the 2 fingers? Do I have to do that? Oh, God. Thought I was gonna get invaded, guys. I haven't been to the round table in this character in a minute, folks. I think we got ball bearings. Do I have to, like... This is it, right? Do you have to do this? No, I've already talked to him. Okay, now if I go back to him, he'll be gone. Or I can just look at him on my map. And it'll probably say the first step, but it won't say White Mask Bar, right? You guys are smart. You guys know how to do this. No? Okay. This part... You would think I would know by now. He's gone. He's gone. Okay, good. Now Rose Church. And we have a Falling in the Lake's not bad. Just run northwest, man. Dude, the early stream is fun, man. I'm glad I'm getting this off, guys, because I really dislike not streaming on Tuesday, man. But, guys, it's for my life. It's for my life. Gets me out of the house. I go meet people. I touch grass. I meet musicians. I make new friends. I see old friends. Whoa, that rock really got in my way. I might have gone a little too far west. Rose Church. Do I see it? I think I see it in the distance, folks. There it is. Okay. Now we're going to... Now, I should have the 4 French fries with the imbued stone sword key already handled, guys. And Magnus Beastclaw is going to be a freaking joke. What's up, dude?
You've had your what? My words are truly.
So basically, in the expansion, if I spam E, you'll always...
Give it a try. And if it I've high,
you'll always make the right decision.
I'm
not going to spam E in the expansion, folks. G. Come up here. I don't have the close... If I could just... Oh, I could go this way. You guys want to just go kill something for fun? I haven't done freaking, Now I'm playing Elden Ring. I was over here trying to do work, folks. But I don't know. Like, Godskin, what's his chump? I'm going to be right there, guys. I'm going to be right there. The move is... Kill a fool while you're right there. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. I'm just gonna go, guys. Usually I kill archers because they freaking make my life miserable. But I'm gonna pretend. I'm gonna try and get some cover. Maybe some tree cover, folks. Oh, they're throwing big rocks at me, guys. Big rocks. Big damn. Now, as I come around here, I'm gonna get exposed, guys. Okay, wait. Oh my God, that one almost hit me! Like it's a big deal, right? The trees, please. Guys, we gotta kill the Godskin Noble. We got to. It's getting hot. Dude, I woke up, it was freaking cold, bro. I'm not even kidding about this. It was cold in here. I turned the heater on. Creepy ladies. Hey, it's a pretty time of the day. I wonder if we can actually... No, because the sun is shining right now. Yet, if you want true shadows of the Erd Tree, you have to pass time until night. Watch. I'm going to show you guys. You guys want to see shadows of the Erd Tree? I'm going to show you right now. You've never seen it. Till nightfall. You come to Windmill Village. You pass until nightfall. You got to get up there before the sun changes too much. Wait for it. Wait for it. I'm trying to remember my route, folks. It's this way. Come on. Okay, guys. Shadows from the Erd Tree are right here, guys. There, that's it. There you have it. See the shadow? See the Erd Tree? Shadow of the Erd Tree. Before expansion, guys. Should we like buff up and stuff? I feel like we should just to keep good habits. You know what I'm saying? This is only for good habits, guys. Howling. Bowing. Ooh, Terra Magicking. Should start coming now. Hit it. Too far? Who's got better range? He threw poopy at me, guys. I'm just tanking the freaking... How's he doing, guys? How's he doing? Oh, dude, you see the freaking dam on that? You see the dam on the combo, folks. We just face tanked him, guys. We face tanked him. That was a little bit... That was like bringing a freaking... that was like bringing a Maserati to a go-kart race. You know what I'm saying? It really was, guys. It was rude and unnecessary. It was overkill, if you will. Shadows of the Erd Tree exclusive here, folks, with Stream Rock Jamming. Godskin Milk coming up. Yeah, Drew had no chance. The first one didn't get him right. But then the next one's got the frost poopy on him, and when I did the ash... Yeah, you can't do ashes when you're on a horse, Charlie. When I did the ash, dude, that was the big boom. Took him from like 40% to like freaking 8% or something. It was big. It was big, folks. Big damn, big damn. Here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, folks. With only the best builds, custom built by Drew and Trey. We got to go down, right? I don't have this grace, really? No, I don't. Okay. It's the fall, guys. It's the little drop that always scares me. So if I take it a little gingerly, don't be mad. There we go. That's a ginger way to do it. There we go. Okay. We're almost at Magnus the Beast Claw. Should I melee him for the meme, guys? The thing is, I don't have... Well, I do kind of have melee physically. I do. No. I'm going to freaking cheese him, guys. I'm not going to cheese him. I'm going to out DPS him and out skill him with the proper spells for my sorcery build. I stayed strong, guys. I got only what I was supposed to and nothing extra. Dude, like, I know I'm doing this all wrong. I'm probably not supposed to be bringing a level 451 into the expansion, but guess what, guys? I'm cool. I'm cool with it. Okay. Did I rest? Good, I did. What's up, doggy? Oh, I'm like, wait a minute. How come he's not dying because he moved? He's not dying because he moved, guys. Charge it up. Whatever hits, folks. Dude, see, he missed most of it. Why do I not feel like there's a third dog here? You hit me. You hit me. Watch him hit me again. You're done. Okay. We have 1,000,000 flasks, so we're going to go ahead and top off. No, we'll top off the mana after. Okay. We can't buff. So we got to top off. We got to bring the flask up. Getting the range is going to be tricky, man. So maybe I shouldn't bother flasking, and we'll just try and get the poopy off on it. No right or wrong way to play Souls game, says Caleb. Thank you, Caleb. Ferrari, guys. Ferrari to a go-kart ring. You can't even get near me, guys. You can't even get near me. Can't even get near me! Okay. Now we got to go back to bar, right? We're running Moog when I get home. At 1 in the morning? I don't know, man. I almost want to make the Moog melts, because I'm going to have a couple Moogs to do, man. Do you guys have any Moogs? Anyone? Anyone? Moog? I kind of want to make a thumbnail for the Moog massacre. You know what I mean? Point is to have fun, Charlie. Take that level 451 wherever you want. Thank you. No, I mean like 20, 30 minutes. Oh, yeah, no. I'm not going to do it on this stream. This is getting ready for Moog. We are prepping for Moog. I'm not going to kill Moog today. Or not on this stream. I want to get all my guys ready for my Moog melts, and then I just want to go in and start killing Moog. And I'll probably save this one for last because he's the most powerful. And, of course, I understand Moog will then be more powerful, right? But, like Reduvia Daggers. I think Reduvia Daggers needs Moog. Grafted Blade Sword needs Moog. Mine is dead, so I'll help with the else. Nice. And we killed one of mine, too.
I'm glad you have a... I wish to a night luminary mode. So,
yeah, let's go ahead and call me your little lambskin.
for your final, normally, but since
Okay. Use the finger.
cloth is the blood.
Oh, the cloth. Okay, 4 French fries. Guys, finally, I did something right. We got the grace for the 4 French fries, guys. And knowing me, I've already opened up the portal, guys. Because I usually just take the imbued sword storing key, open up the portal, and get on with my life for moments like this. Which we didn't do last time, guys. Wait. Yep, the chest is open. And the portal looks open, too. Nope. I was lazy, guys. That would suck if it's all, you don't have an imbued stone sword key. Where do you get one, man? Where the hell, what if I spent that on something somewhere, guys? Well, like, where do you get a second imbued stone sword key? I almost feel like there's one in Carrion Manor. Why? Like... I'm thinking of Sword of Night and Flame or something. I don't freaking know. Drew says I should have a couple Moogs. I love this game. Yeah, I should have a couple Moogs laying around. Yeah, Drew says I should have a couple Moogs. I love that. Oh my god. We make fun of each other sometimes when we say something silly. I said something silly the other day and Courtney laughed at me, but she said the greatest thing, guys. I was making coffee, and she doesn't really like coffee in the morning, but she's like, I think I'm going to have a cup of coffee this afternoon. And it was like in the morning, and I'm like, dude, you're so old. If you could hear what you just said, like you're literally planning. She planned a cup of coffee in the afternoon, guys. Oh my god. I didn't even say anything when she first said it. But then later, guys, I brought it up, and we're still dying laughing. It's freaking hilarious, man. Guys, when you get older, man, you start saying stuff like that. You guys are like 25 to 34. You guys are like, what? You planned a cup of coffee for later? That's weird. It's like, well, you know, spend a lot of time at home, working at home, you know what I'm saying? It's freaking hilarious, guys. Things that make me crack up. We're going back to Folly on a Lake last time, and then we're going to run to the Moog Grace. You should have a couple Moogs. I could attempt to open up Moog with Twin Lightning. He just made it to Alta so he can head towards the Beast Claw. Yeah, man. Dude. Get yourself a Moog, man. Because those Moogs... What did I just do? Those Moogs were going so fast. It was like... It was one of those things. It was like a contest to see who could get the most damn before Moog died. Now, I don't want to get too cocky. Whoa. I'm pretending I need mushrooms for sleep pots, but I probably don't have any crack pots. And I do remember getting hit by Moog was doing massive damage. He hit me with a melee whack, folks. If I was running with him, I would need to get the physic. Yeah, that's true. I think you would. People talk about healing through that. I guess if we were 3-manning it and you had time to just focus on your heals and Moog wasn't like literally freaking putting the pressure on you, you could probably heal through it, I'm guessing, right? In my experience in that fight, even when I have a Mimic Tear or a Black Knife Tish or anything, no. Okay, we can skip this, right? You can't skip this? You can't skip this. I can't skip the lamb chop scenario, guys. I hate when he calls me that. Academy on the rooftops. The other imbued stone sword key. And what do you waste one on? Isn't there a place where you could use it? I mean, this could be wasting one, right? This could be wasting one if there's something else you want to do with it. But what other... There we go, guys. Thank you. Yeah, I got what I wanted. I'm done. We're going. Inventorio. Moog's house, guys. Guys, we got Moog Shackle, man. You love to see the Moog Shackle. Okay, good. Okay, we just did the run, so we can do it again. I will put my lantern on for you guys so it doesn't get too dark, so in case anyone gets scared in the dark, folks. Should be E up arrow. It is. Good. I don't need a flask, guys. I mean, I don't even know what's in my flask. Oh, we got to grab this in case we got to come back. I love the way you're coming. I'm coming here and I'm not running to the chicken farm. Usually when I come here, I'm turning left, folks. You know what I mean? Somber 7. Gotta have it, folks. Fool me once. Shame on me. You know what I'm saying? Okay, now I know you can run around the right of this thing. I just started out by running to the left because I thought, like, if I touched it, it would kill me. You know what I'm saying? But I'm feeling this now. I'm feeling this now. We already got the lights on, folks, so don't be scared. Stay tuned. Things aren't... What is this? What is this loot, guys? How come I want it so bad? A blood rose. Whatevs. What do you guys... Oh, they're praising Moog? Are they praising Moog? He's all the way upstairs and they're praising him. Okay, wait. Yeah, I got my lamp. See, I got my lamp on for you guys. Just run past the fool. Just run past the fool. We're going to pick up a Lord's Rune. Yeah, that's worthless to me, man. Maybe at some point, all those runes, I kind of use them when I need money for something. I'm like, I want to buy this, but I don't have money for it. So you just bust a rune, right? Just bust a rune, folks. I bust a rune, I buy what I want. I don't need white mask bars or whatever that invasion thing is. All right, guys. Whoa. Did you see that? Did you see that? What was that? Was that Moog? Moog was right here, guys. Did you see it? You saw it. I clipped it. Clipping it again. Freaking Moog was just right here, man. I don't need the somber. That was crazy, man. I targeted him, too. I tried to freaking attack him. That would be funny if I freaking, if I killed Moog right here. Drew, just as I came out of the Grace, it looked like Moog. He was smaller, was right here, and he was RP walking. He was RP walking over here. How do you walk slow? Can you walk slow in this game? He was walking right here, and I targeted him, and then I went to do something, and he faded and disappeared. I got it. I'll make a short of it because I don't know what just happened. I don't know if anyone's ever seen that before. Okay, guys, 2 characters ready for Moog. Hold Alt or something. Yeah, he was like this, and he was kind of turned like this. He might have went like this, and he walked about this far, and he dissipated. Alt, dude, I didn't know how to. Guys, 1,500 hours. We broke 1,500 hours last night, guys. 1,500 hours of Elden Ring, and I just learned how to RP walk. Yay! Okay, guys. Oh wait, do I have the physic? Do I have the Moog physic? We might have to do the invasion, guys. Mix the wonderful physic. I have it. I have it, guys. It's the red one, right? Yep, I have it. That's good. Yeah, on an NG. So these things you got to keep forever, right? The physics. Okay, quick game. Yes. Okay, while the next thing's loading, I'm gonna take the last reheat on my coffee, guys. But I'm gonna take you with me, though. You guys understand. As long as I remember to get off the coffee can. Guys, I literally almost put, okay, get to the game. So we have a talking refrigerator. Load game. Guys, 35 seconds in the freaking microwave, guys. I had to take advantage. It's a sin to waste time, guys. Gary Kasparov said time is precious, right? Okay, we're going to go to Blingarella, guys. Blingarella, this I think is Big Bonk. That's why Blingarella's at the Halleck Tree. We got Drew's Millennia last night. That was so much fun, man. Yeah, so I went back yesterday and watched what he was talking about. It was pretty crazy. Trey, I think it was one of the noble assassin things in a cave. You think it was one of those things in the cave? It looked like Moog to me, only small and from behind. Look at this, guys. So mine, I think, is done. And when I come here to help people, that's what we do. Now, is this Moog dead? Let me hit the Y button. Okay, we have some underground, guys, but we do look. Moog's mausoleum, guys. Okay, so now we have to go check White Mask Bar at the. Is anyone's like, I should do this too? But it doesn't say White Mask Bar. Does it say him at the Rose Church? I have to check it, guys. I have to check it because I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go there, and he's not gonna be there, and I'm gonna be like, no, I gotta go back, right? The wear a similar outfit. See, I told you, man. Now he's gonna be like, go get the 2 fingers.
My congratulations.
Hi, Bessie Godric. Round table hold. Audience with the 2 fingers. Yeah.
Go for an audience.
Okay. Got to be careful with the bonks around this guy. Dude, this bonk is one of my favorite playthroughs, man. Maybe I should take the big bonks in the freaking expansion, guys. What do you do? What do you do, guys? It's so exciting. I kind of want to take Death Sorceries. But Death Sorcery... Oh, God, am I getting invaded? No. Whenever I come in and everything's burnt, because it always shocks me, right? No. I don't want the bastard stars. That's a... I can't be saying bastard on stream, guys. This show's for kids, bro. Isn't it funny how bastard's a bad word, but it's actually a word? I mean, it's not really a bad word, but I guess to some people it's a bad word. I guess it's like anything, right? Probably has a medical term, but yet, if you use it out of context, it could be a bad word. We're checking it, but I think he'll be gone now. And then next time we won't have to. They are his followers. They wear a similar outfit. Okay, so it was a baby Moog. Okay, and he's gone. Now we go fall in the lake because I think that's my grace. Same one. Run up there, talk to him, yada, 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 bing, bing, bing. Magnus Beast Claw is going to be fun with the big bong, guys. Multiple Beast Claw scenarios, guys. Guys, I want all my characters to have the option to just touch the arm. They all got to be parked right there. We got to park them there, too. Now, I'm just, like, preparing my characters to be able to go to the expansion. What prep should I be doing, guys? Should I be rune farming? That seems cheesy. Although, that's what you do in real life, right? Like World of Warcraft's real life. Before an expansion, you might save some gold.
You've had
right? You kind of...
Okay,
you kind of, maybe some mats.
Even worse. That's the part.
Like, what are some of the things that people are doing to get ready for the expansion?
And if it high,
I just hope I got...
There's no tarnish.
I hope I have the freaking grace, guys. Looking for the windmills. I am. Yeah. Okay, this is the one under the bridge. This is where we're going. Okay, I am not going to do any prep for this guy. I am going to back up, flask up, one Royal Knight's Resolve, and I'm going to bonk this freaking fool into freaking eternity, folks. If he, like, dodges me... Hello? Can a guy get a freaking horse? That'd be great. Thank you. If he dodges me or something, guys, it could get tricky. These things are so unforgiving, and Magnus the Beast Claw is a little quick, folks. He's a little quick. Oh, no, I can't buff up. I'm like, oh yeah, we have to buff. Flame grant me strength. I can't. I'm not allowed to. I'm not allowed to because I'm invading his territory. These dogs could be a bit of a tissue because they're fast, and if I miss, I'm gonna one-shot the dogs. But if I miss, they're gonna bite me. But I only have 11 Crimson Tears flasks, folks. Eat it. Oh, this guy's coming. He's a jumper. There we go. And this guy could probably just come around it. There we go. Okay. I'm not gonna... Oh, yeah, we just got to get our flask ready, guys. Because that's all we're going to do. Okay. The flask is going to be gnarly. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. %. No jump. Better drink, buddy. You better get that hit in. There you go, Magnus. You got no chance. Not against a Souls player of my caliber. I think I might have dodged an attack, guys. Did you see that? Guys, I just played Elden Ring. Should we do a Sling King run of the DLC too? At some point we will. I don't see why not. Going back to the basics, right? But I don't think that's going to be my first playthrough. Now that we've done that, we got to go talk to him, and he's going to talk to us about the blood. Do we have the 4 French fry grace, guys? We do. See? And the gate, we'll see if the gate's open on this character. I like to keep an open gateway to the Maiden's Blood place. You know what I mean? The first church of wherever you start the game from. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I almost put down the dirty finger, folks. Oh. We're going to run a little bit northwesty. Not as much west as north because I keep having to turn right when I get there. Guys, if you're going to do something over and over and over repetitively, you might as well try and do a little bit better each time. Dude, I still had to turn right a little bit. Okay. Next time. Is this the lamb chop part I'm not allowed to skip, folks? Sling King Run could be fun. It's going to depend on the bosses, too.
You have a... I wish to a night luminary...
And maybe I should respec... Or I should get some weapons ready. Like... Anoint me.
Now.
Some of, like for instance, on Death Sorceries. I mean, okay, I get Frost proc, right?
With a maiden's blood.
Sorceries aren't really big for blood, right? Oh, yeah, there's blood sorceries. They're not death sorceries. The blood of any maiden will do. That's the part I was talking about, guys. It's like you don't talk about women like that. Like they're just, you know, whatever. Just go get some maiden's blood. For French fries, folks. Here we go. Dude, this is so cool, too, because I was like the other night we were streaming, and I'm like, yeah, maybe, I'm thinking in my head, maybe we could kill my Moog. And I'm like, oh, I don't have Moog open yet on this guy. This guy's level, what level is this guy? Status 274, folks. This is like an NG plus 4, I think. I believe. I didn't open it, guys. I didn't pre-open the gate like I promised. Okay, let's get the blood. Let's go back. We make the run. Uh-oh. Is my hammer sticking out? It is, but I'm not going to show it, guys. I'm not going to show my hammer, my huge hammer sticking through the hole, folks. It could be misconstrued. So what other stuff do you do to get ready for expansion, guys? What other stuff? I have questions. I mean, I'm just opening up Moog. And then I'm gonna have to kill Moog on probably... Are any of my characters at the end of the game with Moog dead? Waiting for NG+? Well, okay, I think Reduvia daggers might be done, but we're gonna have to go check it, guys. And then I think I have some astrologer. I have astrologer and astrologer. Okay? Big difference, folks. And that wasn't even bling. The freaking 80 int 99 vig useless fool that we started with. Thank you for that. Back to Folly on the Lake, guys. We're going to try and get the aim perfect on the run. We just need like north with a tiny, teeny, tiny bit of west. The map looks like it wants more than that, but let's just get north. But you have to go. I have to go on a rock. That's the problem. Okay, we'll see if this nails it right here, guys. We're just trying to perfect. It's pretty good. Although now we got ads. Look at this. Look at this. I was a little bit to the right, like by an inch. Okay. Is this lamb chop time?
You've completed, and with this, a night. Now, this...
Yep, it's lamb chop time, folks. I'm going to offer the finger, all right. Imagine seeing this guy in real life. That would be creepy as AF.
Oh, good heavens. Clench your teeth or something.
Okay. Escape is not helping, folks.
Never forget that feeling of agony, for it is what binds you to luminary mode.
Pretty rough just watching it happen.
You have the...
Okay, my little lambkin. Don't tell me I have a sweet screen.
Enough.
Thank you for that.
A medal granted by
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Inventorio, guys. We're gonna make the nasty run again. I hope you guys are all doing this too, man. With all your characters. You got to open up Moog. You need help killing Moog and you're on PC, let me know. Just let me know, folks, because I will get down, I will get funky, and I will get live on your Moog. 1,342,000 runes, guys. Wow, on the big bunk? What? We could put a level on this guy. I think he's 274, right? Let's look. I got 1,000,000 runes, guys. But wait, maybe I could just save him. I could get almost 2 levels. My Vig's at 79, mind is at 40. Why is my mind at 40 for the big bunk build? Endurance is at 65. I think 55 is good enough. Strength is 99. Faith is 25. Dex is 25. Int and Arcane are at 10. But the thing about the big bunk, guys, it's a very simple build because your Equipmentorio scales Strength S. That's it. It only scales with Strength, guys. It's all you need in your life is Strength on this build. So 99 is kind of fun. We're going to run through here. We're going to grab the loot because I'm a bad person. And, yeah. We're going to grab the Grace. The Moog Grace, guys. Oh, am I getting blood loss? That could be bad in later rounds, folks. I don't want blood loss. Dude, these things are freaking annoying, bro. There we go. Now I can see what I'm doing. I don't need a weapon, guys. Oh, I might now. I can't pick up the free Bulbasaurs. What was this over here? Blood Rose. Blood Roses are not rare, right? Blood Roses are like all over Fort Hate, right? So you don't... Oh, wait. Let's turn on lights, folks. Turn on lights so you guys aren't blinded. And then we will move through here. Yep. Yeah, not rare. Right. I mean, you go farm them. It's for blood grease. I probably have 1 billion of them on me right now. What was this again? I keep forgetting. Oh, a Lord's Rune, yeah. Something that's probably not going to make a big... Well, no, that actually... It's runes, guys. It's runes. Me, I'm a sucker for a Glovewort, folks. You know, there's probably more down there, huh? Should have done that. I woke up the entire world, guys. Oh, my God. Dude, that guy's throwing stuff at me, bro. I dropped down. That's him. That's the guy. That's the guy. That's the guy I saw in my dream. That's the guy I saw in my dream. He looks like Moog. He followed me out into the sunlight. Oh. Well. Not without weapons. There he goes. That was him. That was the boogeyman I saw, guys. Okay? Big Bonk has Moog opened. Oh, we have to check the Purifying Crystal Tier. If we got to go do the invasion, we'll do it. I think it carries over, guys. I think it carries over. And since it carries over, we have it. Because we killed Moog on another playthrough. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's in all of these. Okay, so we got that. Okay, guys. Big Bonk is done. We've got 3 characters, man, all the way to Moog. System. And, dude, it's cool, too. All 3 of these playthroughs did not have Chicken Farm open. Isn't that crazy? It tells you, man, as you evolve and start new playthroughs, Chicken Farm ain't no thing, man. You can just play the game. You know what I mean? It's kind of cool. I like it. At some point, Chicken Farm turned into Albionics Farm. Meaning, because then you start having the sword from the Elden Beast, right? Okay, Smokey. Smokey might be done, guys. We're going to check. This is Smokey the Bandit, okay? Chat, guys. Chat named him Smokey. Which is fine. I like it. He is here because we were doing what? No clue. Okay, hit Y. Okay? I don't have Moog's Palace open on this guy. Really. I thought I helped. Look at this. Hallowed Tree is open. But Moog's Palace is not open, guys. One thing I might need to do too, well, I don't know. I was going to say, I might need to go get Moog Shackle on all these characters. Inventory. Let's see if we have Moog Shackle there too. We do. Cool. Okay, so, you guys, these are the steps, guys. The steps are simple. You got to start at the first step, folks. First step, that's you got to get the juices flowing. You got to get this he's not white mask bar, but this bar guy, right? You got to get his juices flowing. He's gone. He's gone. Okay. Good. Rose Church. Tell me we have a reasonable grace. Fall in the lake is working. We can practice our aim. Practice our aim on our run. So what's it like to see the early stream? I know it was good for Cat. I know it was good for Cat. Oh, I gotta run around this thing. That's a problem. I think I can see it from here, folks. Those Albironics that tried to eat me last time. Reduvia Daggers versus Magnus of Beast Claw, guys. That's gonna be fun, right? I'm just gonna go in there and just cut him up, guys. I'm gonna cut him up. I'm gonna face tank him. I'm going to face tank him. I'm going to buff up. Well, no, I'm going to flask up. Something's wrong, guys. Do I already have... I guess I could have looked here. I have this and I didn't use it yet? Guys, I already had the freaking... I already had the trinket and I didn't even use it yet. That was dumb. Okay. Next character, we'll check first, right? This guy is nimble and quick, folks. He's going to grab the Grace, and then... Did I grab the Grace on Big Bonk? Wait a minute. I looked and didn't see this. I looked in the wrong spot. Okay, this guy's got it. So I was right. Okay, system. Bang. Quit game. Okay, so all the way down to Smokey. Cat McKay says, I like it, LOL, but also like the other ones. And if I miss him, I watch him in the morning. Cat, nice. Thank you for being such a great supporter of the stream. I'll tell you, the first time I noticed I used to stream chess like at pretty much the same time every day. And then I'm like, I'm going to do a morning stream. And it was freaking awesome, man. It was like, okay, this guy reach level 1. Yeah, no. As Astrologer level 80 Volcano Manor. Guys, we will leave no character behind, guys. We will leave no character behind. One of them is level 1. Probably not going to kill Moog. And, yep, he's sitting here like this. That's fine. Hit Y. Yeah, this guy's got no underground scenarios. Oh, well, yeah, so free a ripper. Okay, so we have to go... okay, we're going to check, too. We're going to check our inventory, right? I'm sure I don't have the... Look at this, guys. I got 1 remembrance, little level 80. Oh, isn't he cute, guys? Look at hardly any inventory. Yeah, that's cute, man. He could be fun to bring. He could be fun to bring to the expansion, guys. I think this is actually... closer. Yeah, this is closer. We can run straight west. So normally I'd be watching chess all day, guys. But we're doing this, man. Because I wanted to get some game time in. And it's like, dude, if you're going to play, just turn the stream on and hang out with your friends. You know what I'm saying, man? You know, hit them goals we were trying to hit. Dude, that weapon looks dumb. You might need it for the Beast Claw, though. Rocksling's going to be roughed on the Beast Claw, guys. That's going to suck. I just thought about that.
I'm quite certain.
Okay, so he already gave me the finger. Have I not gone to... I see no windmills, guys. Do I have to run from here? I think I do. And then we got to kill Magnus the Beast Claw at level 80 with a freaking rock sling, guys. You just got to run away, and you got to get the staggers. Now, I have 4 mana pots and 6 health pots. A golden bow. I got a glintstone pebble too. Do we have a night comet? Let's see if we have a night comet, guys. A night comet worked, right? Ooh, talk to Melinda and not doing that. Memorize a spell. I don't have, guys. I have so few spells here, bro. Ambush shard. I don't have a night comet, man. What does ambush shard do? Strikes from behind with projectile fired from a distance. Guys, I did this game with the rock sling. I think we could do it again with the rock sling. You know what I'm saying? I think we can do it, guys. Ambush shard is good. Is it? Think it'd be good for Magnus the Beast Claw? Man, Trey, you had me at ambush shard is good. I mean, that's all you said, but that's where you had me. Okay. And I'm gonna take off. There's this one spell that I use sometimes, guys. It's this glintstone arc. I kind of use it for a little of an AoE, multiple mobs. You know what I'm saying? If they're in front of me. Might be. Let's give it a chance. Let's give it a chance, man. Because I'm going to have the grace. I'll be close. I wonder what's in my physic. Stance break easier with the rock sling. Ooh, look at this. Turtle talisman, max FP, and increased bow effective range. We can run miles, guys. Oh, I got to remove this. Equipment. Remove. And then we got to see what's... Oh, meteor staff. Duh. Meteorite staff. I would get that wrong. Okay. Might want to get back on the horse. Don't quite have the vig the last guy had that made this run. Usually I'll run around and kill a few of these archers or they're not ballistas. What are those things called? What are those things called? That's not a ballista, is it? I thought a ballista is like a big archer. A big arrow shooting contraption. Dude. It's so unnerving with the rocks flying by my head, guys. Okay, wait. I told you guys wouldn't listen. I feel like I'm running across the grain right now, but he'll probably pre-fire me for sure. I told you. You guys wouldn't listen. God. Oh my God. He can still hit me from there. I didn't think he could still see me, guys. Those things got range. So annoying. Should get Cannon of Haima to replace Glintstone Arc. Really? Is that a thing? Cannon from Haima? I don't know that place. I don't even know it. Do we see if we can kill this guy with the meteorite staff? Guys, I'm not staying focused. I'm not staying focused, man. But, dude, I'll get the stag, man. I'll get the stagger. I'll get the stagger. Dude, I only have 3 freaking slots, bro. That means we need to do... Okay. Bling. Wait. What's this guy's name? I need talisman slots. How do you get talisman slots, though? You don't... Do you get to buy one? Or it comes from killing bosses? Because he's only level 80. I'm just going to write astrologer has few... Astrologer... You tally slots. It just looks weird. That's probably right for level 80, right? 4 slot is from killing gold free. Do I have access to the gold free scenario? Elden Throne. How do I have access to the Elden Throne? So I missed one earlier. Is one from, one is not from Reichert, is it? I only have 3, but if I have the Elden Throne, I've already killed Goldfrey. Am I right? Or am I right? Guys, I don't know the lore. Probably need to go to Enya Crone. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Really didn't want to do that because I usually go around that way to not aggro anybody. Right button. I get the arrows. I get the arrow sling, guys. Give me a stagger. Did he stagger yet? Okay. Now we have to play Elden Ring, guys. I didn't know I was going to have to play Elden Ring! Range, please. You can move all you want, buddy. Oh my god, I almost fell off the cliff! The girls will attack. The girls will attack, guys, if they know I'm attacking their pooper. Try to dodge, guys. I think I got him. God, I was afraid I was going to fail, guys. It's a freaking rock sling build. Now, I bet I get levels out of that. 1,400? Probably not, huh? Ooh, Scouring Black Flame. I'll take it. 1,400 runes, guys. You get Cannon of Haima up near the Frenzied Village, past the magic troll that guards the tower. Need to do a short quest before you get up there. Okay. 4 slot is from killing Godfrey. Probably need to go to Enya Crone in a round table. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait. I wanted to see if I just see what levels cost. At level 80, what are they? Only 38,000, but that's not enough to do much. We have to progress the Beast Claw, folks. Treyas one-shot a many invaders with Cannon of Haima. Really? Oh wait. We could just port down there, guys. This might be quicker. At this point, maybe not, but seemed like it. All right, dude. I'm gonna have a billion Mogs, man. You know why? Because Moog used to be like a required boss to me. You know what I mean? In my brain. In my mind. I had to kill Moog. Gotta kill Moog. Right? Every playthrough, kill Moog. Then you start growing up a little bit and realizing that you don't have to kill Moog. And so Moog gets left unkilled and uneven opened up, guys. You guys think I can kill Magnus the Beast Claw? Guys, he's going to be rough because he's going to hit me with the pooper. I don't think I have Haligtree access at level 80, guys. Do I? When I'm talking Halig... No way, guys. We're not even close. We're not even close. Yeah, Faruma Zule is not even... Yeah, okay. Crazy, we're a couple years into the game and I'm still finding out new stuff. Sanji, isn't it crazy, dude? It is indeed a fantastic spell. I might have to hunt it down for expansion. That could be a mission we could go by. under astrologer, I'm gonna also put canon of Haima. Canon of Haima spell. Cool. That could be a little bit more prep, but my biggest thing I'm doing right now is opening up Moog. And then we're gonna freaking kill so many Moogs, y'all are gonna get bored with it, okay? Drew and Trey are gonna be like, dude, could we do anything but kill Moogs right now? We've already killed so many Moogs. And on something like this astrologer, I might help stagger. That's about it. Wow. That is interesting. What's the range on it? It looks like it just slaps him. Oh, I see. It kind of does slap him. Ambush shard. Okay. I think we cleared for Magnus the Beast Claw, folks. Now the question is it going to be worth it to flash? Not gonna lie, Moog is one of my favorite bosses. Cool. If we can get other chillers up in there, it'd be sick. Get like 8 to 10 Moogs. Yeah, just be like all Moog all night. You know what I mean? All Moog all night. Okay. Wait. I got my sacramental bud. That way, whatever happens, at least we got paid. In my physic is boosts all damage negation and breaks stance break easier. I have a feeling it's going to be hard. I mean, if I fight him here and get past him, and then I run back over here, I think I want to take out this dog. He's a runner, guys. Thought I heard another dog. Oh, that's the mama dog. She's a ninja. That cost me a whole nother freak. I might have screwed up, guys. I might have screwed up clearing. Okay, but I want flat ground, so I might have to then, run out here. So all three freaking rock slings can hit Maggie the Beast Claw. Same bro, just working, trying to rub a few panties together. Nice, Sanji. All right, here we go. I think we don't drink them. We just use our natural, because it's not going to do more damage, right? Oh, guys. Equipment. I don't need bow range. But we don't have... Dude, look at my... Look. That might be the move right there. Stamina could be good too. Yeah. It's like, whatever. Dude, this is freaking nightmare, bro. Wish me luck. I also got to click the right mouse button, guys. I didn't get the stagger. They didn't all hit him, guys. I still got it off. Got it off. You better freaking do some serious dodging now, buddy. Guys, that's the rock sling, man. This is the old Meteorite Staff Rock Sling. It just works. I feel like I never really even got a stagger, man. I didn't get a stagger, did I? If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, and subscribe. Yeah, yep. Cool. We got that somber too. Not that one. This run west. We're gonna run this guy at level 80 all the way to Moog, guys. Tested and true rock sling. Yeah, man. It's like I had no faith in it. You know what I mean? But you know when, but it does. Whoa. It doesn't stagger him, but he stayed away from me. I almost feel like Maggie is just giving up now. He's like, you just keep coming back and beating me in front of your friends. Now you're just bullying. You're not even playing Elden Ring anymore. You're just a big dumb bully. It's like, well, sorry, Magnus the Beast Claw, sir. We're on a mission, guys. Can you believe how many Moogs I haven't killed that are all... These playthroughs are all able to go there?
You have a... I wish to a night...
This guy should have... Okay, we got to go with the blood, folks. Dude, I had no idea I was going to have to do this this many times today. We got the grace at the 4 French fries, folks. How can the Sling King have no faith in Rock Sling? It's been a long time, man. It's like level 80, but see, the thing is, when I'm level 80, it's already open. If I'm level 80, that means he's level 80, right? And it's way easier than the other Magnuses that I was trying to beat up. There, I told you guys, sometimes I just open the port, so when I come, I can just go. Hey! I opened that thing probably freaking 3 months ago, guys. Just for this moment, you know? Okay. Oh, I can't get on my horsey, guys. Can't get on my horsey. We gotta run the whole way. Dude! Okay. Sorry. Stop. What? Why is there a fog wall? Did I run the wrong way? What is this? What is this? Oh, because I didn't kill him on this playthrough? Why is there a freaking... I don't want to fight him. Well, at least I can buff. So if I don't beat the boss, I can't get the Maiden's Blood? I'll stagger his butt, but still, it's a little bit scary, guys. I don't want to have to... I didn't come to play Elden Ring today, guys. I was just going to want to run the Moog 5 times. Okay. Oh, did I buff? Did I Golden Vow? I didn't. I didn't even Golden Vow, guys. Isn't that funny? Okay, here we go. Oh, I should have put the... Give me a big stagger. Okay. Feel like I might drop off the world. Wow. Now we have to flask up. Probably should have waited till he attacked me. I don't know this fight, guys. I don't know the fight! That was a dumb move. That was a dumb move for a guy that was trying to win. I keep trying to charge my rock sling. It doesn't charge, huh? Dude, he's still up, bro. God. Yeah, there's one up by Cannon of Hama. Caleb says, I got Loretta down to 50% last night after you got off. After 4 attempts. Nice. Maiden's Blood, that is. Big damn. Yeah, big damn. Big damn. Not my proudest moment, but, guys, this guy's only level 80. So what happened? He killed me, and I continued the game? I guess I did. And you know what I could have done there, too, guys? No, that was probably fine. It's nice not running out of stam, guys. And Rock Sling can use a little bit. Oh, wait. No. I went back out the way from whence I came, folks. Guys, you got to learn the pathway. You got to learn the pathway, guys. We go this way, right? Yeah, to the church. Take me down to the little white church. Take me down. Dude, I'm getting hungry, man. I haven't eaten yet today, guys. What am I going to eat? I have steak, I have pork chops, I have eggs. Whatever I eat will probably include eggs. So it's either steak and eggs or pork chops and eggs. I'm just not sure which one yet. It's going to be fit for a king, though. Fit for a king, for sure. I'm going to eat like a freaking king. I could also get one of those little cheapy potato, mashed potato things out, guys. The little cheapy mashed potato things. You just boil a little bit of water, pour it in, and you got freaking mashed potatoes, man. Those are good. But I don't want to do steak and eggs and mashed potatoes. Or pork chop and eggs and mashed potatoes, guys. We are not animals. You know, it's lunch, guys. It's free. Well, it's breakfast and lunch. It's brunch. Yeah, I don't eat when I wake up. I wake up in the morning, I don't eat, guys. Weird. 3 meals a day to me just seems so weird. I'm a 2-mealer, guys. I'm a dos milios. Spanish, guys. Learn it. Okay? Read a book or something.
You've complained with this a night now. This.
Oh, he's got to lamb chop me, folks. Let's get in on it. Let's come in. Bring it in. Bring it in for the lamb chopping. I'm becoming his little lamb chop. He'd probably be pretty nasty in prison. He'd be like,
Clench your teeth.
that's my lamb chop. I had a sweet and spicy bacon burger on Texas toast. Oh my God, where'd you get that? Did you get that when you went out to go to the grocery store, Trey?
That feeling of it is what you have.
I have the sweetest cream. What did you just say?
Oh, no. A medal granted.
That sounded weird. Did you guys hear what he said? Inventorio. This is fun, guys. It's repetitive and fun. Whataburger. Oh, dude, I could go for dinner. Sweet and spicy bacon. Now, one thing about, see, for me, man, guys, hear me out. I love bacon. I don't love bacon on everything. Same way, I love pineapple. I don't want pineapple on my pizza, man. I love pineapple. Chunks of pineapple, guys. You had a party or something, so like a little pineapple plate. Freaking pineapple's great. Pineapple in a drink, like from the Mexican place, you know, the carniceria. They got a drink that's got like pineapple in it. It's so good, right? Pineapple is a beautiful, beautiful thing. I don't eat it on pizza. I freaking love bacon as much as anybody. But I don't want it to ruin my burger. And when I say ruin it, it takes over the flavor, guys. It turns it into bacon. And you're like, yeah, that's what I want to do. But you know what I do, guys? I'm guilty. I'm catching myself because I do the same thing with ketchup. I don't care what I'm eating. I just want to douse. Whoa. Took some damn there. I just want to douse whatever I'm eating with ketchup, guys. Do we own a lantern on this character? We do. Cool. Turn the lights on for you guys. How am I looking? We getting chased? Nope. Feeling good. So, yeah. So if you love pineapple, I guess you love ruining your pizza and making it taste like pineapple. I don't really like to. Lord's room. But bacon to me, it overtakes a burger, man. And I'd rather taste the burger and the ketchup. Just me. Just different flavor lovers. Sweet and spicy sounds good, though. Because I'm going to be near the big city tonight, guys. And you know what I've been doing a couple times? Run into Chick-fil-A, guys. I've been going to Chick-fil-A. Okay, now we have to check. This guy almost guaranteed does not have the physic. He doesn't. I guarantee he doesn't have Altus Junction either. Whoa. This is... I think I know... You kind of go northwestish, right? And then I got to beat an invader. Well, we just beat Magnus, guys. I have to go northwest. kind of northy, northwesty. But it's not up the hill, right? Can I even go? Yeah, it's kind of this way, right? There's a drop down over here somewhere to a little white church. I feel like the bacon is subtle on the burger because of the sauce, but that's just me. No, dude. If it is, then it is. And like I said, and that's just me. There should be a church down here, guys. Take me down. Oh. Oh, it's over here? So I do need to go up more? Am I going to come up behind it and not have to drop down to it, guys? I told you. Oh, so I could have just ran around right there, guys. Is there a way to... This looks like a way to die. No, we can drop here. Okay. They're going to invade my world. Therefore, we can... We got to pull them outside too, guys. We got to pull them outside because of the rock sling. What is this? He's from Moog's palace. He's not even the invader. That's not the invader, right? What is this? He's just like Moog and he killed me. Who is that? But gonna pay for it later. The bread I just demolished. Charlie made you a sub. Caleb, want one? What was that? Wrong, Charlie. At Trey, chase you from your dream at the palace. That's what I'm saying. What the hell was that? That was not correct, right? That was not correct. That was not supposed to happen. You go in there, you get invaded by a red person. WTF was that? Maybe you haven't done... Oh, so you mean... You mean I can't get this unless I do other invasions? We gotta try this again. Back. Not so powerful anymore, huh? Still want to see if I can get invaded, guys. Just hang out for a minute while Trey types stuff. I thought you get invaded inside the church, not on the outskirts. There are two invasions before this one were Doobie Dagger guy and the one at Academy main gate. Jeez Louise. So this guy's really is on a mission. Watch me not even have Academy. Academy main gate? Main gate Academy? So that's... Let me try and remember this one. I thought main gate Academy is where you run past... There's an invasion here? Which way do I go to get invaded? I'm afraid to move. Because I want to buff up. Walk past the blue door. Which blue door? You're freaking me out. Oh, wait, look at that, guys. Look at that flask. I can increase my flasks on this character. He's only level 80. That was fun. Towards a gold tree. Okay. Okay. Do I have to click on it? Oh, I have to click on it. So all that buffing doesn't do nothing for me. Time to drink. Oh, I have helper, though. Stagger. Okay. What, he drank or something? Don't look at me. He's trying to kill me. You can stop shooting bodies. I took care of it. Stand still for a picture. The folks want... The people want a picture. There should be a summon sign. Okay. And then the other one is... Oh my god, the Reduvia dagger guy? Really? And what is this? Istvan. I don't need that. The Reduvia dagger guy, he says. You guys know what that means. The Reduvia dagger guy is over here. Limgrave Tunnels. But I already have Murkwater Cave. Yeah, I'm good to go back to the church now. Whoa. Dude, I heard a noise. That freaked me out. Good to go back. Yeah. Because Reduvia dagger's done. I keep hearing noise. Something's shooting at me, guys. Jesus Christ. What am I listening to? Dude, I don't even have headphones in and I was just horrified. Someone's whispering, bro. Okay, now all I gotta do is go do the invasion. Dude, did you hear that? Could you guys hear that? Has anyone got phones on? And the funny thing is, my speakers, I need to physically move my speakers. I tried to do software in Windows, switch left to right. Oh, was there a reason why I couldn't? There is. There's a yeah. Because my amp is in the speaker, so my speakers are twisted, guys. They're backwards. They're backward speakers. The left is right and the right is left. That's bad. So when I got phones on, I'm good. But when I don't, I don't. Okay, now we'll see if we can knock out this invasion, guys. I had no idea. Oh, no. Well, I can run from down here, right? You can't go this way? Come on. Hey. Parkour is real, folks. Yeah, the church is like right here. Wait. The church is right here. I saw the freaking creepy disappearing... The disappearing malarkey, guys. I'm afraid the invader's going to come. I don't know how to do it from here. There's a dog there. Okay, I could fight out here. Just keep it simple. Now, this one invades me, right? So, I think I can do this. Doesn't this one invade me? We're burning gold out at the moment. What am I doing wrong? Doing something wrong. Do I have to turn in or something? Those... You can need to talk to the guy. Oh, but where was he? Damn it, I'm already here and I totally screwed up. Okay, main academy gate. But where was he? I didn't see him. Was he standing right next to me? It's getting hot. He should still be there. I mean, we did pour it out. That would suck, right, guys? I'm gonna geolocate him, folks. If he's gone, dude, that can't be fair. That's not fair. Listening. He's right. You see him? He's right there with the delay. I'm guessing. This guy, guys.
A bloody thing. Here's a token. I'm dying. Yes, I've been. She is the dead in spite of her. If she comes through, there is no shame.
Okay, where is she?
Perhaps we will meet.
Where is she?
Perhaps we.
Now we got it. I have an earbud in currently getting a lot of audio lag. Nice. Okay. Now we go get the invader. Or the cerulean tear. This is the first time I've ever, or not the cerulean tear, but you know what I'm trying to say. This is the first time I've ever had to go complete those before I got it. I feel like it is. Maybe not. No, maybe I did. Maybe I did have to go on some missions, folks. Maybe I don't remember. Just take me down to the Little White Church, please. If you take me down to the Little White Church, that'd be great. Tell me we already got the sacred tear, because we're still literally collecting tears, guys. We don't have all of them on this character, I don't think. Looking. Trying to find the church. Now I'm good to go back. Right. Go back to the church, they said. No, I don't know what the hell I'm doing over here. Thank you, Trey, for the help. I would have never known that. I would have had to Google it. I'd be like, wait, what? That's it way over there? Okay, whatever. A little more westy west next time, folks. Oh. Okay, we got it. And now we know Rocksling destroyed Magnus the Beast Claw. This guy's probably going to attack me, come at me a little bit harder, folks. I'm not clearing the dog. I want to be able to back up. R. Buff. Where do they pop? I'm picking flowers. I'm running all over your church. Now I'm going in compromising positions. The dog's kind of looking my way. Oh, here he is.
Eleanor, but I've learned I've slightly. Do not stay.
Where does it spawn? I'm out of the yard like I planned. Takes so long to cast, guys. The dog's over this way. Make her pay. Yep. That was a nasty freaking thing, guys. Yep. Good thing you don't hit hard. Go! No more pots for you, buddy. Important thing, I untargeted, guys. I might have to drink. I got him. Got him. Wow, man. Hey, we got the Purifying Crystal Tier, folks. That was a real mission we had to go on. That was kind of fun. Do I hear someone talking? It's okay, I took care of her. They're goats I hear or something. Why? Because we mogue you. M-O-U-S-E. There we go. Got him. Gotta dance. Tell me this. Anyone, when you kill a boss and say got him, do you say gotta dance? I mean, I would. I do. Done. Done, guys. Done with that. System. That was the most challenging preparation yet, guys, because we actually had to do extra work. We had to get the tier, and we had to open up the tier. And that was probably my lowest level character is that I'm prepping for the expansion, the level 80. That is going to be an interesting scale up if you guys help me kill Moog on that one. Load game. That was Astrologer level 80. Claudia, 1850. There's no way Claudia's done all that stuff, man. There's just no way. Dave Joyce, we're all doing well. How you doing, man? Welcome, welcome. Okay. That's Ansel River. Oh, wait. What? What? Claudia's already prepped, guys. Oh, Claudia might not have the tier, though, guys. Wait. I doubt Claudia has a tier. She doesn't. All right, man. Now, I get invaded with Claudia. They don't get invaded with me. And I've got Flame Grant Me Strength, Blood Flame Blade. Yeah, that'll work. Guys, I think I'm going to eat my lunch. I want to thank you guys for being here. If you guys like what you see, please throw me a like, a share on your way out, and a subscription, a sub. I would love it, man. And I will be back. If I'm not here at 1 in the morning, I'll be back at 8 p.m. tomorrow evening for more of this. Freaking love you guys. Thanks for being here, man. Trey, thanks for the help. Yeah. Getting a lot done. Got a lot done today, guys. We parked like 4 or 5 characters at Moog. That's good. That's good, man. All right, guys. Thanks again. Love you guys. Catch you guys later.